In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the OneDrive icon missing from the taskbar and File Explorer. This is a common issue that can be easily resolved in just a few quick steps. So let's dive right in and get your OneDrive icon back on track. First, head over to your Start menu. It's usually located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you're there, you'll want to search for OneDrive. Simply type OneDrive into the search bar and you should see the OneDrive app appear in the search results. If it's not showing up, make sure you haven't accidentally hidden it or removed it from your device. This step is crucial as it ensures that OneDrive is indeed on your computer before we proceed with any further troubleshooting. Now, if OneDrive shows up, the next thing to do is to uninstall it. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to remove OneDrive temporarily. Click on the uninstall option. This might seem counterintuitive, but sometimes a fresh start can solve our problem. Once you've clicked uninstall, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the uninstallation process. Don't worry, no data will be lost when you uninstall OneDrive, as your files are safely stored in the cloud. After you've successfully uninstalled OneDrive, it's time to reinstall it. Reinstalling can often fix glitches and bugs that might have developed over time. To do this, simply visit the official Microsoft website to download OneDrive again, or look for it in any Microsoft service you might have logged into, as they likely will provide an option for you to download it afresh. Once you've reinstalled OneDrive, it's time to locate its icon on the taskbar. Click on the OneDrive icon. If you don't see it immediately, click on the little arrow pointing upwards to reveal more icons hidden on your taskbar. Sometimes OneDrive can be hiding here. Clicking the icon should open the OneDrive menu. From this menu, we need to dive into the settings. Click on the settings option. A small window will pop up. Navigate over to the account tab in this window. Here, we're ensuring that OneDrive is properly linked to your account, because a mismatched account can sometimes be why the icon isn't showing up. At this point, you should see an option to add your account. Log into your Microsoft account by clicking Add Account. Enter your credentials as prompted. If everything goes smoothly, your account should sync right up. Lastly, follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. These prompts will guide you through the final steps to ensure everything is in order. Once completed, your OneDrive icon should reappear on your taskbar and in your File Explorer, ready for use once again. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to restore your OneDrive icon. Thanks for watching, and I hope this